Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to deposit money in FxPro. So for this we go to our account, so we click on real account and then it's saying your account is not currently activated for trading. So first you need to verify your account and then after that you can click on fund your account. So we will do that real quick right now. So from here we need to select here a payment method, and if you click here on show more, we have also bank transfers. So select here the one that we want to use. So let's do PayPal. Then after that, we click here the amount. So we do $100. And then right now we need to click here on fund. Then he is loading right there. And now we need to log in with our PayPal account. Then after that, we need to fill in all the payment steps. And then after that, you deposit money to your FxPro account. So this is how you can deposit money to your FxPro trading account. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.